After students submit assignments, you'll be able to review and grade them. Google Classroom gives each assignment its own page, making it easy to grade and leave feedback for your students. To view an assignment, you'll first need to navigate to the Classwork tab. Click the assignment you want to grade, then click View Assignment. This brings up the student work page for that assignment. This is where you'll be able to view each of your students' submissions and grade them. One way to grade students' assignments is on the student work page. Simply click one of the assignments. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a column featuring the grading tool. In the grade field, you can type the grade you'd like to give. You can also leave feedback for students in the private comments field. Once you're finished grading an assignment and are ready to share it with that student, you can click the Return button. Google Classroom gives you the ability to export grades from assignments to Google Sheets. This will create a spreadsheet showing you the grades for each assignment by student, along with the assignment's average grade and the class's overall average grade. To export grades for assignments you've finished grading, go to any student work page, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select Copy All Grades to Google Sheets. Once you've created one of these spreadsheets, it's important to note that it will not update automatically. Whenever you grade more assignments, you'll need to export the grades again. So those are the basics. You're ready to start grading assignments and giving feedback in Google Classroom.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.